तुम्ही फुडल्या डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोसेसा बद्दल कितले फायद्याक पडटले?
वोट ऑफ कॉन्फिडन्स जिखून
हां
सरकार जो केला आता एक लेजिस्लेटिव्ह एक्सेप्टन्स जे आहा तेजें गरजेचें आसा तें जाल्लें आहा. सो देर आर नो मोर क्वेश्चन मार्क
हां
with regard to stability.
हां
Next phase is trying to take the legacy of Manohar Parrikar forward. The legacy is about inclusive development. आज सगळ्यांनी म्हणलां की सगळ्या धर्माचे, सगळ्या जातीचे, सगळ्या इंडियेंतल्या लोकांचो एक प्रगती हाडप हो ताजी सिद्धांत आशिल्लो. हो सिद्धांत घेवन फुडें वचप हें म्हाका दिसता हावजाचें आनी सरकाराचें एक लक्ष आसूंक जाय. तें घेवन आमी फुडें वचप.
So aligning was your obligation or unwillingness?
Point is very simple. We have continued with the support to this government in the interest of bringing stability to the state. It was also our intention when we supported Manohar, one of them. Second now is to take the legacy of Manohar Parrikar forward. I think it was the collective sentiment of the House. Everyone across the board was saying that Parrikar was an example. He began the experiment of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, which actually is inclusive development. And I think that is our duty to take it forward. So we are continuing in the government to take his legacy forward.